Rules for defining and declaring a variable. Whenever you declare a variable, we need to look for the certain rules that is set up by the programming languages. Nearly all programming languages use some set of rules for defining and declaring variables. Here are some rules for Python. In Python, the first character of the variable must be an alphabet or underscore. So you cannot use a variable start with a number. It should be a underscore or an alphabet. All the characters except the first character may be an alphabet of lowercase, uppercase, underscore or digit. There should not be any space between two characters. Identifier name must not contain any white space or a special character like not, at, hash, module, and asterisk. Identifier name must not be similar to any keyword defined in the language. So, if you are going to use a loop, that is a for loop or if loop or while loop, these are the keyword defined in Python. So we cannot use it. Identifier names are case sensitive. For example, my name and my name is not the same. Example of identifiers are A123 underscore n underscore 9, etc. Example of invalid identifiers 1a, n module 4, n space 9, etc.